Welcome to the construction site, where the action never stops. Construction is getting more exciting as we embark on the journey to adopt robotics and automation at site to transform the way we build. Manual drilling is often slow, labor-intensive, and poses safety and health risks to workers.
Adopting this automation in the projects help us to enhance the productivities and standardize the quality. Also help us to reduce the risk of work at height.
Putting the robot to the test at JTC's industrial project site at Bulim. With the remote-controlled drilling and anchoring robot, drilling was easier, faster, and safer. It also delivered precise and consistent results every time. All these with a few simple taps on tablet. So, how did the robot perform? The drilling works were completed within a shorter time with fewer workers. The working condition has also improved by eliminating the need to work at height, thereby creating a safer and healthier work environment.
Hey folks, get started on your robotics and automation journey.